I don't know if this is gonna work. Travel to Japan with me, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so first up we have food. This is Yessie preparing for war because he gets sick, travel sick. This is me showing off my popcorn, cranberry. Oh my gosh, the flight attendants were so nice. And this is me journaling on the plane. Wicked, yes, I love Wicked now. I'm a big fan. Some blurry footage, and we landed in Japan. Yay! Yessie dying. Us at the hotel. Look at that Christmas tree. It's gorgeous. And I was so tired here. This is a shopping in Japan for the first time, and bye!